Hello and welcome to Korky Toilet Repair. Today we're going to install your new Korky Platinum Complete Toilet Repair Kit. The first step is to shut off the water supply to your toilet. Next, flush your toilet. Mark the water level in the tank with a pencil. Hold the handle down to drain the excess water. Sponge out the remaining water in your toilet tank. Place a bucket underneath your tank to catch any excess water. Disconnect your water supply line and remove the mounting nut. Remove the old fill valve. Locate and remove all old nuts, bolts, and washers from the tank. Carefully lift up on the tank and remove it from the bowl. Note, the new gasket may look different than your old one, but it will replace virtually all shapes and thicknesses. Remove the old gasket. Remove the old mounting nut and pull the old flush valve and flapper out of the tank. Place your new Korky flush valve into the tank and slide the chipboard washer over the threads. Hand tighten the mounting nut. Place the new gasket over the mounting nut threads. Carefully set the tank onto the bowl. The new gasket may be thicker than your old one, causing the tank to sit higher and wobble. This is normal, the gasket is designed to compress. Use the new bolts, rubber washers, and hex nuts included in the packaging to attach the tank to the bowl. It may be helpful to have a second person apply downward pressure to keep the tank level as you tighten the nuts in an alternating fashion. Tighten until the tank stops wobbling or until the tank and bowl touch, whichever comes first. Do not over-tighten the nuts. Doing so may cause the porcelain to crack. Next, set the height of the flush valve. Loosen the lock nut and extend the overflow tube until the top of the overflow tube is 1 inch below the flush lever nut, then hand tighten the lock nut. Turn the top of your new fill valve counterclockwise and pull up to fully extend. Place the valve in the tank and press down on the fill valve until the corner of the silver cover lines up with the top of the flush valve. Lock the fill valve in place by twisting the upper half clockwise. Make sure the rib on the top of the valve lines up with the pegs on the bottom half. Place the locked valve in the tank. Screw on the mounting nut, insert the metal clip into the refill tube, and attach the clip to the flush valve. Make sure the refill tube has a direct path to the fill valve. Trim the tube if needed and then attach to the fill valve, and reattach the water supply line. Turn the refill adjuster clockwise to the fully open position. Attach the flapper chain to the flush lever with minimal slack. Turn the water supply on and wait for the tank to fill completely. Turn the water supply off and flush. If the water drops within a ½ inch of the pencil mark, your flapper installation is finished. If not, rotate the band to the open position and reinstall the flapper. Turn the water supply on and let the tank refill completely. Turn the water supply off and flush. If your water level is still not within a ½ inch of the pencil mark, adjust the dial so the next lowest number aligns with the arrow. Then reinstall your flapper. Turn the water supply on and let the tank refill completely. Turn your water supply off and flush. Repeat this process until the water level drops within a ½ inch of the pencil mark. Turn the water supply on and let the tank refill completely, and flush. Wait 2 minutes for the water in the bowl to settle. The excess water will drain out. Mark the water level in the bowl with a pencil or dry erase marker. Flush. If the bowl water level reaches the mark before the tank is finished filling, turn the dial counterclockwise to reduce flow. If the bowl water level is below the mark once the tank is done filling, turn the dial clockwise to increase flow. Repeat this process until the water level reaches the mark at the same time the tank finishes filling. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new Korky Platinum Complete Toilet Repair Kit.